Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Hi guys, welcome to What's in the Menu with Mamta Nair. Today we are going to cook a very simple and easy instant spicy egg dosa. This is a very easy recipe and you don't need to keep the dosa batter for fermentation, and you can start making the dosa instantly and right away after grinding it. So now let's get started with the ingredients. For this you will need 2 cups raw rice. Wash it 2 to 3 times. Now add fresh water enough to cover the rice and soak it for a minimum of 6 hours, or you can even soak it overnight if you are planning to make it in the morning. After 6 hours, you can drain all the water from the rice. Now let's move on to the other ingredients. You will need around 3 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 3 eggs. Here I have taken around 7 red dried chilies. You can take it according to how spicy you want it to be, and also some salt to taste. Now let's grind all the ingredients in 2 sections. So now add half of the soaked raw rice into a wet grinder jar or a mixer. I am going to use a mixer here. Add half of the sliced onions and half of the dried red chilies as well. Also add half a cup of water and grind it to a very fine texture. We want the dosa batter to be really runny and smooth as shown in the video. Now transfer it into a clean bowl. Now go ahead and add all the remaining ingredients into the jar. Add half a cup of water and grind it into a smooth runny batter. Transfer it into the bowl and keep it aside. Now take the same mixer jar and add the 3 eggs and grind it into a very fluffy texture as shown in the video. Go ahead and add it to the dosa batter. Add salt to taste and mix everything very well. Here I feel like the batter is not as runny as I want it to be. So I am going to add around half a cup of water. You can see how runny the dosa batter is. The dosa will become soft and fluffy only if the dosa batter is runny. Now our dosa batter is ready. We can make it straight away. You don't need to keep it for fermentation, which makes it easier and instant. You can use a non-stick pan or an iron pan to make the dosa. Heat the pan. When the pan becomes hot, spread half a teaspoon of oil all over the pan. Do keep the flame on low-medium so that you are easily able to spread the batter. Now take 1 or 2 ladle full of batter. Pour the batter onto the pan and spread the dosa batter as shown in the video. If any spots are left, then pour some more batter and spread evenly as shown in the video. Cook the dosa on low to medium flame as per the pan size and thickness. When you see the batter on the top cooked, then sprinkle some more oil on the edges and center and spread evenly. Now flip the dosa and cook the other side as well. Cook until the base is nicely golden and crisp. Now fold and serve the dosa hot. Let me show you once more by cooking another dosa. Now the dosa is ready to eat. You can simply eat the dosa just like that, which is how I like to eat it. But if you really want to eat it with a curry, then chicken curry goes well with it. Please try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notification so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links are in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.